Before we begin, here are a few gentle reminders for anyone new to meditation. Start small. Even a few minutes can shift your whole day. Sit comfortably. Comfort matters more than posture. Let thoughts come and go. You're not trying to stop thinking. Use simple imagery. The mind responds best to clear, gentle scenes. Be patient with yourself. Visualization becomes easier with practice. Guided visualization is the practice of imagining a peaceful, calming scene. A sunrise, a meadow, a quiet forest, a warm light. And letting your mind and body respond to that imagery. It's meditation through imagination. Your brain responds to imagined calm the way it responds to real calm. Visualization activates the same neural pathways as real experience. This makes it powerful for reducing stress, softening anxiety, grounding emotions, shifting your inner state quickly. It's especially helpful for beginners who struggle with silence or wandering thoughts. Sit comfortably. Let your shoulders soften. Let your hands rest gently in your lap. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Choose a simple, peaceful image. For today, we'll use a warm morning light rising gently in front of you. Let's practice together. Imagine a soft golden light appearing in front of you. Warm, gentle, steady. See it rising slowly, like the first light of morning over a quiet field. Feel the warmth on your face. Feel the glow in your chest. Feel the softness spreading through your whole body. Let the light move through you. Your shoulders, your arms, your heart, your stomach, your legs, your feet, let it melt tension. Let it brighten your mood. Let it fill you with calm, clarity, and new energy. If your mind wanders, gently return to the light. See it, feel it, Breathe with it. Let the light guide you deeper into stillness. Take one more slow breath in and a gentle breath out. Bring to mind one small thing you're grateful for today. A moment, a feeling, a person, a simple detail. Let that gratitude settle softly into your chest. You've just completed your guided visualization meditation. Have a beautiful day. If you enjoyed this meditation, I'm always here for you. Peace, hope, clarity.